The success of your data migration heavily depends on preparation. So let's jump right into the preparation steps for the HubSpot Service Hub demo migration. First, you need to create corresponding custom fields in HubSpot Service Hub. Then add the same agents you have on your current help desk. You also need to customize your HubSpot homepage. Then turn off integrations, automatic association of contacts and companies, and ticket status automation. Now let's launch your HubSpot demo migration. Log in with your Migration Wizard account or create one. Then choose your source platform. Our app will ask you to fill in the needed credentials or sign in with your source account. After that, connect HubSpot Service Hub as your target platform. Just sign in with your HubSpot account. Next, choose the pipeline where you want to import your data. Then define the help desk data you want to transfer. Note that our app doesn't migrate the knowledge base records automatically. If you choose agents, match them. Click on Match Items to map agents. You can also pick up the default agent on HubSpot Service Hub. The next step is to map ticket fields. When migrating to HubSpot Service Hub, you can map both default and custom fields. Do it carefully to preserve data relations. When you've mapped fields, press on Save to apply settings. Then choose the needed automated options. For instance, you can migrate inline images as attachments. Other options depend on your source help desk. Finally, press Continue to start demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets from your current help desk to HubSpot Service Hub during this data transfer. As your demo migration is complete, you will get a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. If everything is imported correctly, choose the suitable support option and proceed to payment. Now you can initiate the full data migration.